Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to your daily updates on Bitcoin. There's enough to talk about. I mean, yesterday was a pretty relentless day. Saw a lot of selling. I mean, yesterday in the morning we were still holding on relatively well. Not great, but we had at least found some sort of a support, and then we had some sort of a idea that maybe we could consolidate from there. Which, to be fair, is still technically the case. Like, we could still, if you zoom out here, we could still find support at the major support level we have right now, which is between 62,500 and 63,500. We could still find sufficient support from there, significant support from there, and get into some sort of a consolidation. Now, I would not necessarily bet on that though, because I do think that it's a very bearish indication, the selling we had, all right? It still remains relatively unclear whether the moves we saw since Monday have been, just a normal market reaction, which is a possibility. I mean, in the end, if you really zoom out, we are in one big consolidation here, and we hit the upper ranges of that consolidation. Maybe it's just normal in the summer. That we reject from there, and that we actually start to trend down. And by the way, sorry for the messy charts, but trust me, it's still readable to at least a certain extent for me. So that could be a reason. Maybe it's the tension in the Middle East. Who knows? Maybe it's the US selling, but at least some big parties are selling off here. Whatever the reason. And whenever that's happening, I always think it's a little bit smarter and a bit better to wait for the price to find some sort of a strong foundation, all right? Some sort of a strong support. And right now, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, but I would argue also if you go to the 4 hour time frame, we got a significant bounce right here from 62,700, all right? So significant bounce from the 0.5 fib of this move down. But the only thing we did after that is, all right, well, we got that nice bounce, but then we just respected, or at least so far we've respected the resistance at 65,000. And as long as we don't break above that level, and that's basically the same as yesterday as well, as long as we don't break above that level, we are not consolidating yet. All right, so that's why I'm telling you at this moment, we're very much kind of stuck between either getting into a real downtrend here, which will probably bring us back to the CME gap right here at 60,000 and 58,500. We're either doing that, or we are going to be able to hold this level and we'll set up some sort of a consolidation. And honestly, I could not tell you here what's most likely. Personally, I'm expecting in general a lot of volatility today. We also have the unemployment rate statistics and the non-farm payrolls, which are normally causing a lot of volatility. So I think in general trading today is not the best thing you can do. But I'm a little bit more prepared and expecting the move down. All right, so that would mean a drop down into the 63,000s again, and a drop down below that level to drop down into the low 60s and maybe the high 50,000s. That's what I think is most likely right now, or at least that's the scenario I'm preparing for the most. Now, if we do get some sort of either positive news about de-escalation in the Middle East or about the economic numbers, even though I think the economic numbers matter a little bit less, then we can hold this level. And I think in general, technically, that is a possibility. But for now, like I said, due to the uncertainty in the markets and the summer markets, which are also not the best markets to kind of predict in or to find structure in, I would say expect this, all right? And then if we do get some sort of support and when we do get some more confirmation, we can hold the levels. But for now, I think this most likely, all right? So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I will keep you updated on this, so keep an eye out on the channel. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.